What's up, fam? Each and every time I make a video, I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. For as much news as the next guy, but on certain stocks. Those include Apple, my favorite company, Facebook, really not doing so well, Tesla, JP Morgan, and Chipotle, even including Shopify and Nvidia. As long as the company makes sense to me, I'm all in for it, and these are all fit for me in the whole US because these companies have great potential in the future. They're not lagging at all. Many people are on the train because of how well these stocks are doing and an easy return only during this time. Usually they got about a pretty good return rate each and every year, never really in the red. But now listen, I'm not that easy to fool person where I find the next great rich stock and lose it all because it's a pump and dump. These stocks are stable majority, and they make up most of the S&P 500 and NASDAQ, besides Chipotle, really. But during this time, you can make really easy money off of calls and put the money back into the stock because I have learned just to buy and hold. Don't time the market, please. You only be losing the money. The more time you spend in the market, the better. Don't time the market because you're just going to lose on potential gains, is what I'm trying to say. Once stuff starts to fall, you'll learn that you could buy puts. This put expire next month, probably gonna be worthless. Worthless means that it's just $1 and you can't be able to sell it and you lost all your money from it. So for my reasons, I'm doing whatever the next guy is doing off these stocks and putting money back into the stock, and then half of the other profit back into more options trading. So eventually they'll come back up to all-time highs later, but having time in the market's just going to make you a strong trader. And being a day trader or a retail investor, I don't care, as long as you're happy in your position and where you are. But you win some, you lose some, but just remember that at the end of the day, you're going to be rich in the long run as long as you keep consistently investing and making yourself smarter. Me buying the stocks will do that in the long run, and making money off of options and putting some back will benefit myself and hopefully help you guys, because don't roll all your money into one thing and lose it all. If you make a quick $1,000, put $500 into the stock you just want to go up, or any other thing that seems potentially low right now. Anyways, one thing about the market and the politics is that Donald Trump and the Federal Reserve is just pumping up the market, and people are relying on stimulus. Once stimulus news comes out, the stock market will just get a boost. So get in as soon as you can when you hear the news and buy a bunch of calls. Alright, also the market will just get pumped really quickly, and then later on, we all know it's just going to crash. We just do not know what's going to happen. So don't rely on it crashing. People will eventually find out. Also, like I said, I'm going to look one step ahead, not 5 months ahead, and think the stock market's just going to crash later on. It obviously will. So my moves, currently, today, not so great. Bought an Apple call, immediately fell. Facebook call, immediately fell. I sold the Facebook call for a day trade, and then I bought another one. I'm still down on it. At around this time, I decided to go in for Tesla, and immediately down 250 to up $1, and then all the way up to $90, and then dropped only $100. But so Apple call, I might just sell later on this week, or if I gain anything tomorrow, I'll just sell it tomorrow. Home Depot call, they have earnings tomorrow. Ivy Crush, never too worried about it. I know it, once I get up in the morning, just gonna immediately sell. I bought a cheap one, way out of the money, but if I make a few bucks, it's still profit at the end of the day. And I'm also thinking about in a video call 500. I don't care if I'm gonna spend $1,600 just to. I could turn that 1,600 into 2K if they blow out earnings. I believe they're gonna be just like AMD. They're gonna go way up, and they're gonna announce that they have future potential later on this year. Target, I'm thinking of buying it. It already went up pretty well today. It's still going up after hours, but who knows? Wall Street obviously bet on it being higher earnings than last quarter, so I honestly don't think they're gonna be earnings. That's my opinion. More people are shopping online. Target hasn't really introduced anything of shopping online besides Walmart. Walmart, I think, has good potential this week. So yeah, if anything, bet on Walmart going up. All right, and then Tesla calls way out of the money. You're still gonna make cash, so that's my goal for this week. Tomorrow I'm gonna I might do a day trade on Tesla. Alright, Tesla might do a day trade. Still going up, only 64 cents down after hours. Honestly, I think they're gonna go to like 2,200 before the stock split, or at least 2,000. But later on, I'm gonna teach you how to do options for any of you guys that have been wondering. Alright, that's it. See you guys. Peace.